Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about a morning habit that can transform your energy, improve your health, and set the tone for a great day. Green smoothies. Whether you're trying to boost your nutrition, lose weight, or just feel more vibrant, starting your day with a green smoothie is a game changer. Let's dive into the benefits and share some tips to make the perfect green smoothie. What is a green smoothie? So what exactly is a green smoothie? It's a blend of leafy greens like spinach or kale, fruits, and other nutrient-packed ingredients, all mixed into a delicious, refreshing drink. The beauty of green smoothies is that they're not only healthy, but also super easy to customize based on your taste and dietary needs. Key benefits of green smoothies. Now let's talk about the amazing benefits of starting your day with a green smoothie. Boosts energy naturally. Green smoothies are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that give you a natural energy boost. No caffeine crash needed. Supports weight loss and digestion. Thanks to the high fiber content in leafy greens and fruits, green smoothies keep you full longer, helping with portion control and improving digestion. Strengthens immunity. Greens like spinach and kale are rich in vitamins A and C, which strengthen your immune system and keep you feeling your best. Improves skin health. The antioxidants in green smoothies help fight free radicals, giving your skin a healthy, radiant glow. Who doesn't want that morning glow up? Detoxifies the body. Green smoothies promote detoxification by flushing out toxins and supporting liver function, helping your body reset for the day ahead. Tips for the perfect green smoothie. Making a green smoothie is simple, but here are some tips to make it both delicious and nutritious. Use a 50-50 blend of greens and fruits. To keep things balanced, aim for half leafy greens, like spinach or kale, and half fruit, like banana, mango, or berries. The fruit will mask the greens, so your smoothie tastes sweet, not bitter. Add healthy fats. Incorporate fats like avocado, chia seeds, or nut butter for an energy boost and creamy texture. Boost with superfoods. Add a spoonful of spirulina, protein powder, or flax seeds for extra nutrition. This is an easy way to level up your smoothie. Use a liquid base. Choose water, coconut water, or almond milk as your base. Avoid sugary juices to keep your smoothie as healthy as possible. Common myths about green smoothies. Let's clear up some misconceptions about green smoothies. Myth number 1. All green smoothies taste bad. Not true. The key is to balance greens with naturally sweet fruits. Once you find your favorite combo, you'll crave them every morning. Myth number 2. Green smoothies are hard to make. Green smoothies are one of the easiest breakfasts to prepare. Just throw everything into a blender and you're good to go in minutes. Myth number 3. Green smoothies aren't filling. When made with the right ingredients, like fiber-rich fruits and healthy fats, green smoothies can keep you satisfied until lunchtime. A simple green smoothie recipe. Here's a quick and easy green smoothie recipe you can try tomorrow morning. Ingredients: 1 cup spinach or kale, 1 banana for sweetness, 1/2 cup frozen mango or pineapple, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 cup almond milk or water. Instructions: add all the ingredients to your blender. Blend until smooth. Pour it into a glass and enjoy your vibrant, healthy breakfast. Host: it's that easy. And the best part? You can experiment with different combinations to keep things fresh and exciting. Is a green smoothie right for you? Green smoothies are great for almost everyone, but here are a few things to keep in mind. Watch your sugar intake. If you're adding a lot of fruit, your smoothie could become higher in sugar than you'd expect. Stick to 1 or 2 servings of fruit per smoothie for balance. Vary your greens. Switch between greens like spinach, kale, and arugula to avoid overloading on one type. This also gives you a variety of nutrients. Listen to your body. If you have a sensitive stomach, try starting with smaller portions. Your digestive system may need time to adjust to the extra fiber. And there you have it. why starting your day with green smoothies is a smart, healthy choice. Not only do they fuel your body, but they also leave you feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new health tip. What's your favorite smoothie combo? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your ideas and maybe try some new ones myself. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.